What's up, guys? Raw Challenge day 7 out of 21. Still out here vlogging today. I am at Belvedere Square going to Plant Bar to see what raw options they have for me today. I got the wife and the kids with me.
Hi.
So me and DJ's gonna head in there. See you guys on the other side. What's up, dudes? Day 7. We went to Plant Bar. You seen the footage. You get it. Look, I'm very hungry. I want to let you guys know it's like 8 o'clock at night. Last time I ate was probably around 2. I had some kale chips at about 2 o'clock, so I'm pretty starving. You want to say anything?
I missed you guys. Hi.
She's so funny. So phony, sir.
No, you're phony.
But, alright, so, let's talk. Day 5, day 6, and day 4? No, I covered day 4. So day 5 and day 6 was pretty much the same. Over the weekend, all I really did was eat a bunch of salads. I drove out to Good Juju Juice Bar and I got a smoothie bowl. It was okay, you know what I mean? But it wasn't really what I was looking for. I was looking for some more.
What? You telling her?
I always tell the truth. It wasn't all the substance that I was looking for. I was looking for a little bit more substance. So they had my back today. They got mushroom jerky, which is like dope as I don't know what. They have pizza bagel, raw pizza bagel. Say what's on your mind. They got a cheesecake, raw cheesecake, and a taco salad. So, well, I'll try this out, baby. Can you say what's on your mind?
No, I ain't nothing on my mind. I'm just here to watch you eat this crap. I mean, stuff.
So why'd you frown your face up? So, Plant Bar Baltimore is kind of like I guess, it's like the mecca of raw vegan food. They had a whole bunch of options there. And I tried as many as I wanted to try, I guess. Because the pricing wasn't too bad compared to the other place I went to. So this raw ranch dressing or whatever it is, it's pretty damn good. It's a little spicy like I like. The nut meat in it for the taco is good too. Nice flavor. Doesn't taste like a gritty like nut. It almost resembles a meat, so to say. Would you want to try it and beat it back up? So this food is like, it's really damn good though. Like for sure, for sure.
Isn't it all? Every single bite of everything that you taste ever is so damn good.
No, I don't say that.
Yes, you do. This is pretty damn good.
So how does it smell, babe?
That smells fine. Smells good, actually. I think actually most of the stuff he's been eating lately has been smelling really good.
You gonna go raw too?
Nope. Not at all. I don't want to.
Why'd you answer that so fast?
Because I know I'm not. He is so strong though, because he's around all the food that me and the boys are eating.
Around? Am I just around it?
Like he cooked once the other night.
Once. Last night. You know how hard it is to do?
Last night he cooked or whatever, right? And he fried these eggplant things. And it smells so good. I don't know how he did it.
I'll put a picture right here. Boom. Right over her face. You're gonna have a picture on your face, baby. You sure you don't want to try this?
It's something else.
I'm about to. That's actually good. I thought I was getting tired of salads, but it's spicy. You know I love spicy.
Can I get a close-up of this, please?
So, I'm gonna try out the pizza bagel.
Again.
Again.
You don't like it? Can I smell it? Well, I don't know. I don't smell it. You don't smell it.
Now, This don't really smell like nothing, or don't really taste too bad. Or, I mean, good. It's alright. I can definitely eat it.
Come on, I want to see you eat these and the cheesecake.
These look like some drugs, man. I ain't even gonna lie.
I'm just here to see him taste stuff.
I love mushrooms.
That looks like potpourri.
This might be drugged down.
Doesn't that look like potpourri?
Yeah. Let's give it a shot. Yeah, tastes like mushroom jerky. So, I'm assuming this is like dehydrated mushrooms. It's not bad.
Alright, try that. Ew. Nasty.
I like that though.
Good.
It's
So
like
keep
a,
a snack on tomorrow when you start feeling weak or something.
I haven't been feeling weak, just hungry. So, last thing, cheesecake. That was really weird, and then it got good. No joke. It's really fluffy.
It smells like something.
Yeah, like I can't put my finger on
I
it.
can't either.
Let me try again. I can't put my finger on it. It tastes good though. Look, my camera's gonna die any minute now. So I'm gonna wrap this up. Eat grass, not ass. Keep watching. That was disgusting.
What
Something
happened?
flew out and went in. Eat grass, not ass.